everybody, it's Rebekah, and I was at, what restaurant was I at? Oh yeah, California Pizza Kitchen, and I saw the guy come over and have one of these little doohickeys for Parmesan cheese, and I didn't remember seeing one ever before. Maybe I just wasn't tuned into it because I wasn't into cooking back then, but I saw it and I was like, oh my word, I need one of those things. So then what happened was, oh, and by the way, there's lots of my children around here, so if you hear strange noises, it's probably one of my kids. Anyway, so I went online and I found the exact one that the guy was using at California Pizza Kitchen, and the reviews online were okay. So I decided to look for some other ones, and I found an Ikea one that got excellent reviews. And so on Amazon, I found it, I decided to get it. It was pricier on Amazon, but I'm not sure that they sell this one in the United States. Seems like this is more of like a European thing. So it's a little pricier on Amazon. It was like $30, but I figure if I'm gonna have it for a long time, probably worth it. So it comes with two different attachments. It comes with the smaller one and then one with larger holes. Can't really see here, but if you can, it's right there. It's bigger holes. So we're gonna try it with the bigger holes with this Parmesan cheese. So you need to cut off a chunk that fits, put it in here. I have not done this before, so let's see how it goes. I'm a little nervous. It works. Okay. I know you guys like to tease me about how I do stuff, so. But you know what? I'm a good sport, so go for it. Ooh, it's working. Do I look like an idiot? Am I doing this totally wrong?
Yeah.
Maybe do it like this. Ooh, and it's very smooth. My husband's laughing at me. Yes, I am actually this. Problem is, I have very small hands, guys. I am actually this expressive in real life. See, the guy at California Pizza Kitchen was like, and I'm like, it's actually not hard. I just have really small, weak hands. Okay, I'm like 100 pounds, so. I like it. That was like super easy. These are very nice shreds. I like it. So I highly recommend it. That was great. It probably sounds like I recommend everything on here. I'm sure one day there will be something I don't recommend. But everything I've reviewed so far I really like. Anyway, so that's it. If you guys have any questions or comments, let me know in the link below. If you have comments on how weak I am, you can just maybe give me tips on how to buff up my hands or something. Anyway. Actually, I'll probably just have my husband do it because I'm really weak. All right, talk to you guys later. Hope you're having a great week. Bye. Hey, I just wanted to let you guys know one other thing that I figured out. This is reversible. So if you are left-handed and you want to switch this, you can take this off and you can switch it with this so that you can grate the other way. So that's all. I just wanted to make sure you knew that. So I think that's pretty cool. All right.